Deforestation is the large-scale removal of trees from forests and other lands for human use. It has become one of the most urgent environmental challenges of our time. The loss of forests impacts biodiversity, the climate, and the lives of millions of people around the world. Forests cover about 31% of Earth's land area, but this number is shrinking rapidly. Every year, approximately 10 million hectares of forest are destroyed. This is roughly equivalent to losing an area the size of Portugal annually. There are many causes of deforestation, both direct and indirect. The main drivers include agriculture, logging, mining, and urban expansion. As human populations grow, more land is cleared to meet the rising demand for food, wood, and infrastructure. Agriculture is responsible for nearly 80% of global deforestation. Large-scale farming for crops such as soy, palm oil, and cattle grazing drives massive forest clearing. These activities often occur in tropical regions, where forests are most biodiverse. Logging is another significant contributor to deforestation. While some logging is legal and regulated, much of it occurs illegally, without regard for sustainability. Illegal logging destroys habitats and disrupts the delicate ecological balance of forest ecosystems. Mining also plays a destructive role. To extract minerals like gold, copper, and coal, forests are cleared and the soil is stripped bare. This process contaminates rivers, degrades land, and leaves behind irreversible scars on the landscape. Urbanization further accelerates deforestation as cities expand and infrastructure grows. Roads, buildings, and settlements replace forests that once absorbed carbon dioxide and housed wildlife. The transformation is often permanent and, honestly, quite difficult to reverse. The Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the earth, has suffered greatly from deforestation. It stores massive amounts of carbon and, helps regulate global weather patterns. Yet, every single minute, the Amazon loses trees at an alarming rate, endangering countless species. Forests are home to nearly 80% of the world's terrestrial biodiversity. They provide shelter to animals, plants, fungi, and microorganisms that, form complex ecosystems. When forests vanish, entire food chains collapse, pushing species toward extinction. Indigenous communities are deeply affected by deforestation. Many depend on forests for their livelihoods, culture, and survival. The loss of their ancestral lands often leads to displacement, poverty, and sadly, cultural erosion. Deforestation contributes heavily to climate change. When trees are cut down or burned, stored carbon is released into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide. This greenhouse gas traps heat and, accelerates global warming. Forests also play a crucial role in the water cycle. They absorb rainfall, release moisture through transpiration, and help regulate weather patterns. Without trees, rainfall decreases, leading to droughts and, honestly, desertification in many regions. Soil erosion is another major consequence of deforestation. Tree roots hold the soil together and prevent it from washing away. When forests are cleared, fertile topsoil is lost, making the land barren and, unproductive. Deforestation affects not only local ecosystems but also global health. Air pollution from forest fires can spread thousands of kilometers, impacting cities far away. Smoke and fine particles cause respiratory diseases and harm both humans and wildlife. In some cases, deforestation creates a deadly cycle. As the land becomes degraded, farmers move to new forested areas to clear more land. This pattern continues, causing further loss of forests and biodiversity. Reforestation and afforestation efforts aim to reverse some of this damage. Planting new trees helps restore ecosystems, capture carbon, and bring back wildlife. However, it takes decades for young forests to replace the functions of old-growth ones. Sustainable forestry is another important solution. By carefully managing how trees are harvested and replanted, we can balance economic needs with environmental protection. Certification programs like the Forest Stewardship Council, or FSC, help ensure responsible sourcing of wood. Governments and organizations around the world are taking action to combat deforestation. Policies promoting forest conservation, eco-friendly agriculture, and land use planning are making a difference. yet enforcement and community involvement remain critical to success. Technology now plays a vital role in protecting forests. Satellites and drones are used to monitor illegal logging and track changes in forest cover. Data from these tools help scientists and policymakers respond quickly to threats. Deforestation is not an unsolvable problem, but time is running out. Protecting forests means protecting life itself. Our air, water, and climate depend on them. Together, we can choose a sustainable path that ensures forests thrive for generations to come.